Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Crown Lounge. On this episode of Star Wars inspired May 4th cocktails, we're going to do one called the Death Star. If you watch Star Wars, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Death Star goes boom. Anywho, this is a Long Island ish type of cocktail. Very, very similar to Long Island, just the cocktails that we use. I mean, the liquors that we use are really different. So first, we need a Tennessee whiskey. Gentleman Jack, we're going to go with some Uncle Nearest. We're only going to do 1 ounce of a Tennessee whiskey. Next, we're going to go a 1 ounce of Jägermeister, which I only have a small bottle because I don't really like the stuff. Too many Jaeger and Red Bulls in my younger years. But anywho, and there's 1 ounce of that. Next, we're gonna do 1 ounce of vodka. Next, we got to go 1 ounce of a triple sec. Whatever version of triple sec you like. I got Contre. So we're going to go with 1 ounce of a triple sec. Guess you could use Grand Marnier. You want a little more exquisite taste, maybe? Let me shake this. We got to go. Next, we got to go 2 ounces of a sweet and sour mix. Like I said, very, very similar to a Long Island, but this is a space Long Island. Next, we'll give it a good stir. We got our Collins glass, and I got me some spears that look similar to Death Stars by accident. Forgot I had them, but it goes well. Pouring this over here. And last, we're going to top it with some Coke. I don't know if I can give this a stir or not. Voila. Not too much of a mess. That's why we have a bar mat. Anywho. Cheers. And may the 4th be with you. Even though I don't like Jaeger, and you taste it, but it goes really, really well with this. All these flavors match pretty good. Like, surprisingly, I really enjoy this, even though I don't like Jaeger. But anyway, this is gonna call my night because this is a pretty strong drink. But anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. And may the 4th be with you. Cheers.